It sounds like Mr. Farabee's ill. And they're probably gonna do Zoom, they don't wanna do Zoom, they wanna do it in person, can they do it in German?
I'd rather adjourn it than try to do a hearing on Zoom.
That's, they said, we can be on Farabee. Heather, we can do an adjournment on that?
Okay.
I can grab it.
What's the name of it?
Farabee,
F?
they didn't,
Yeah. F-E-E.
Oh, yeah. Ronald.
he said May 11th, but I figured you would have better date.
Oh, that's the 1 o'clock.
Right.
That's fine. Yeah, maybe 11th at 1 o'clock. 1 again.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me know if I need to give a notice.
Okay.
And right out of the gate, we're thrown into the organized chaos that is a busy courtroom docket. Cases, names, dates, it's like an air traffic control tower in here. Everyone is moving fast, everyone is scrambling, and somewhere in this box full of files, somebody's fate is getting sorted. This is how justice actually operates. Behind the scenes, loud, messy, and running on strong coffee.
Man, there's still an awful lot of files in this box. Still an awful lot of files in this box.
And then we have a trial with Angela at 11. And that one's.
Let's find out.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No, give me a couple of minutes, but I don't think so.
Wait, come closer.
What's the name on it, Angela? I'll pull it.
The last name is, I think, City, S-I-D-I.
Thank you. Let us know.
Okay.
Yeah, A and B.
Well, then maybe you might be able to get her.
Maybe I'll be able to get her a timely lunch Coke.
Oh, Mary Jackson, Judge,
Mary Jackson.
is an adjournment. I need how this paperwork.
All right. I just told Heather this box isn't getting empty anytime.
No, and there's not a lot of people out there either.
Will be a lot of it, the orange files will be this afternoon too, though.
Oh.
Oh, that's true. What time is that?
What, this afternoon?
Yeah.
Those run from, and they're all civil instructions. That formal was the only one that was gonna hold, but they run all the way to probably 2:30, 2 o'clock.
So what are they set for?
Just, they're set for formal hearings, but that's only to get the people in to work out a deal. They're not true hearings except for that one that was set at
All right.
the
So,
Fairview.
so you don't need me for these orange ones?
More than likely, no, and it could
Okay.
be, no, because I don't think there's any motion hearings or anything.
Okay.
Hold on, did you catch that? They're not true hearings. This is a critical distinction. What's being described here are plea or resolution dockets, scheduled court appearances that function primarily as a mechanism to get parties into the room and hammer out agreements. A true formal hearing involves evidence, testimony, rulings. What we're watching is much more like a legal assembly line. Get them in, work out a deal, move to the next file. Efficient. Yes, a little sobering. Also yes.
Ma'am, you want morning or afternoon?
Morning. Morning's best, earlier than what you had today, or was 9:30 good?
Yeah, earlier fine.
We started at 8:15.
Oh, okay.
You'll be in and out sooner.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah, thank you.
Actually, it's 8:30, 8:15.
When was your last pretrial schedule?
Mhm.
When was your last pretrial schedule?
Okay, ma'am. June 12th, 8:30 a.m.
Which is Mary.
Do we have any other dockets going in the other courtrooms, you know? There's quite a few bodies wandering around out there already.
A lot of them bodies are probably civil infraction people, but as for C and Jeff and the other one.
Right.
Um,
I'm gonna use this to go down and prep for our city hall meeting, unless I'll talk to them.
well,
Someone wants to be wet, someone wants to be healed.
yes,
Say-
oh, good luck on. Thank you. Mhm.
Really, it's left on that, I'm probably just sitting in it.
Okay, yeah, cause, I know, yeah, that'll be fine. Do you want me to send them up, tell them to come up, Jim?
Who's that?
Jeff.
Just yeah, you know what, yeah.
Cause he's downstairs.
Oh, okay, yes, please, thank you.
Want me to go, put it up?
Yeah, it looks like Angela might have something going on in here. The 11 o'clock?
We have to, should, Jeff continue working for a few, or does he want to?
Go ahead, she left.
That's fine, he only has 2 left, so we're good, okay. Yeah, he'll be able to figure it out with the others.
You want me to go get?
Yep, go.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jeff. Would you like one?
No, 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 that's fine.
You'll be there soon, will you not? Hopefully not. Did you be there soon, but hopefully not.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what it was just,
You feeling better now though?
oh, that was better, yeah, whenever I keep getting offers and this, I just. We can forever meeting, home meeting very much.
This whole ordeal may just be food in general.
I
Getting-
don't have that buffet anymore.
Getting busy and you sent him on a mission to get you a blueberry.
Down there, we called anything, if it wanted.
You should have said, what kind of mystery question is that? Mahari, he's got a big script on your file.
Oh.
Mahari?
On your desk. I think I'm losing mine.
No, you are.
I gotta figure out what I'm doing, where I'm going. I think that's the one. Oh, I think that's the one that's at the Supreme Court building.
It could be tomorrow, I think, is a sobriety.
Something that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna figure that.
Hold that, I thought.
And just like that, the room shifts. Come on up, counsel, those 4 words. That's the starter pistol. From filing paperwork to standing before the judge, the stakes just got real. We've gone from hallway logistics to a live courtroom proceeding in seconds flat. Whatever comes next, someone's life is about to be directly affected by what happens in this room. You can feel the energy change. Can you?
What do you got, Mr. Fleck?
I got, wait up, wait here, Judge.
What's the last name?
M-A-H.
Come on up, counsel.
It's city, SID, it's the one you already full judge. The trial.
Oh, okay. All right. Yes. All right, I am ready. Your appearance.
Peter Beckett, on behalf of defendant, Saturday Mountain.
I've got a paper that says dismiss. I'm assuming that's okay.
I'm not gonna have any objections to it this morning, although it is.
Did you post a cash bond?
No, I didn't.
No, I just want to make sure there's no money to deal with. We're good. Sure.
I need a formal dismissal to give to immigration. Am I getting that downstairs?
Go on our website, right?
No, we don't have him, he can type it up,
Yeah, we don't prepare one. So if you want to prepare one, I'll sign it.
or I can give you the register of action showing that it's dismissed.
All right, so I'll prepare one and email it to you.
Would the register of action be enough for you, or you want a prepared order?
2 words that could change everything. Immigration consequences. The defense attorney needs a formal dismissal document, not just an entry in the court system, because it must be submitted to immigration authorities. This is the intersection of criminal law and immigration law, and it matters enormously. For non-citizens, a criminal charge doesn't have to result in a conviction to trigger immigration consequences. The attorney is being meticulous for a very good reason. This moment, much bigger than it looks on the surface.
But, you know,
Would a copy of, because we can give you a copy of the register of action.
well, that'd be fine.
Okay,
And that'll be.
just wait a few minutes and you can do that.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You can,
Thank you, Ms. Gannell.
Graciani's.
You're
Good seeing you. He's ready to go with Graciani because Jeff is still doing some.
Okay, Marshall?
Rapid John Graziani, attorney on behalf of under the flag is in my left wrist, station and sir.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Marshall, I understand you have met with Mr. Graziani and you are going to plead guilty to the charge. Is that correct? Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Graziani? You understand all that? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of these things, are you going to plead guilty today? All right.
Yes, sir.
Jordan, daughter,
Oh,
son? That's one of those names, right? How old is Jordan? 7?
I give you this.
This one, I'm sorry.
All right, so how many days did Jordan miss?
Record appears 10 to 15 days.
Are you satisfied that supports a factual? I'll accept the plea. Why? What was the problem?
This recently moved. It's probably like a 25, 30 minute.
Okay.
So some days it's hard to get.
All right, so I've got an address on Alexander and Romulus. That's not a good address? Did one of my clerks get your good address today? Okay, all right. So what's the plan going forward so he makes it to school every day?
Make her get to school.
Okay, all right. So where are you living?
I live in Ypsilanti.
Okay. You don't want him in the Ipsy schools?
No, well, no, I am. I'm switching them at the end of the school.
Okay, so next year he's gonna start in Ipsy school, so it certainly won't be a problem next year.
No,
Okay, all right. So I'm sure Mr. Graziani explained the way this works. I'm gonna delay sentence for 12 months. During that time period, stay out of trouble. You don't commit any new crimes and no more problems with attendance. As long as that's the case, we'll dismiss this. It won't be a conviction on your record. Understood? All right. Any questions so far?
Okay, let's pause here because this is genuinely layered. A parent just pled guilty over a 7-year-old missing 106 days of school. 106 days. That's more than half a school year. And the explanation. A recent move, transportation challenges. But here's what I want you to think about. The judge didn't slam the hammer down. Instead, they offered a deferred sentence plead now. Keep your record clean if you stay compliant for 12 months. Is that mercy? Is that the system working? Or is it the bare minimum? What do you think? Drop your take in the comments.
All right. So we've got a whole bunch of other stuff you owe us money on. Are you currently on a payment plan?
I'm on a payment plan. While ago, I'm saying like,
Okay, it looks like you're currently doing 70 a month. Sound right? All right, so the records I've got today show you owe a balance of $1,635 right now. All right, so go downstairs. Whatever you want to do with your payment plan is downstairs. Good luck. You're welcome. Sorry. And Bowditch's clients?
He's doing 2 more. We're just waiting for your defense.
Thanks. Did you hear anything from Angela about her trial?
Mr.
Oh, that's right, that's right. Get my nose under control. It's been over a week.
He's in the German set.
Lewis? We got a Terry Kilbasa on that.
Which was.
Yeah, no kidding. Probably related.
Right.
It's definitely Lewis. Lewis. I've got a webinar folder. I'll see if I put any.
What? Not morning or afternoon for the next one. I don't know which would be better. It's gonna be a Monday again.
I'll take mornings.
Morning, do you want early, do you want 8:30 or did you go to 9:30? You can be here at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
We open, but I have to just do the schedule at 8:30, so you can come in and sign in right at 8.
Okay.
The staff's all gonna be here. If the prosecutor's here that early, we'll get you in and out.
Yeah.
I need to my webinar.
Nothing for that one?
I'm back to something from August. Oh, you know what? I might have sent it something. Sometimes I print paper.